Hello once again, everybody. Similar to the last video, I have received a package that I know what is inside it. I just wanted to open it on camera and maybe talk about it a little bit. It is my physical copy of Yooka-Laylee. So I'm pretty excited about this. This is pretty awesome. I've had fun with it so far, and I'm definitely looking forward to playing more of it. You can see some of what I've done on my stream. I did the toy box just like a couple days after it came out, and I started streaming the full version the day it came out on Steam that night when I got home after work. So I'm pretty thrilled about that, and I'm happy to have received it. It was sent to me from Jubilee Way in Ascendia, UK. So not only do I have that, I have 3 packs of Pokemon cards and some miniatures to open. So those are the other things I shall do. I have a Primal Flash with a Groudon Primal on it. I have a Mega Gallade Roaring Skies and a Shiny Rayquaza Ancient Origins. 3 packs that I don't have, or I haven't done a whole bunch of. Some Ancient Origins being the least common one that I've done on camera, although it is not probably the least common that I have, because I've done quite a few beforehand. It was when I first started collecting again. So we got our code card here for Primal Flash. We have Drillbur, Skitty, Rhyhorn, Spheal, one of the 2, Lotad, Nidoqueen, Foil, Electrike, Gardevoir Spirit Link, and it's a Combusken. So we've got that one, we got a Roaring Skies here. No Shin today. He was here earlier, but here at the end of the day, he had to go home because he has Easter stuff tomorrow. So we got our code card for Roaring Skies, starting with an Electrike here as well. Got a Tailo, an Exeggcute, a Halucha, a Pukachi, a Mega Turbo, sounds like some sort of video game upgrade, a Fearow, a Pelipper, a Foil Natu, and a Gallade EX. So those ones are good. I haven't had the Gallade before, which is a good one. And then our Ancient Origins. So the Roaring Skies one, the duplicates that I had, I was lucky that I got the duplicate of the Shaman that day. Apparently is like the rarest one in that set. So that was really neat. Oh no, Ancient Origins, this is like a shiny Groudon. Or if he's not shiny, it's something. And then we got our code card here. I almost showed the code. We have a Malamar, a Golett, a Ralts, Persian, an unknown, a whooper, a happy whooper, a very snazzy energy retrieval, a standard Rotom, a lucky helmet, and a Sableye. So those are the Pokemon cards I got. And let's go on to our other stuff. We got Adventure Time, issue 63. And let's see which one I want to start with. Let's start with Rage of Demons. Rage of Demons. Oh, I didn't show you. So, Shin and I did some trading. I traded my duplicate Copper Dragon for a Gold Dragon. So I have a Gold Dragon, a Silver Dragon, a Bronze Dragon, and a Copper Dragon so far. And then he also traded me for, where are the other two? I got two others for it. A White Dragon Wormling, and what was the other one? Oh, the Strider. And he also has a standard phase fighter, which I might trade for eventually. I just didn't have anything else to trade that he was interested in at the moment. So, let's get started on our boxes here. Ooh, what are you? It is a Hook Horror. I don't think I would want to encounter that thing. It seems pretty dangerous. It's dangerous. Back here. I've seen a few of this guy. But he still sucks to assemble. Who is a Shadow Demon once again. It is number 20 out of 55. Alright, get back here. Stuck to my thumb. Where'd you go? There we go. So the Hook Horror is pretty cool. I haven't had one of those guys yet. We have the Shield Dwarf Wizard. I might have one of those already. I'll have to look at what all I got. And although I will say with the Shield Dwarf Wizard, this is the wobbliest staff I've ever seen. And this is a Duragar fighter. I'm pretty sure I have one of those as well. We have Monster Menagerie 2 box. And what is within said Monster Menagerie 2 box? We shall see. Another Iran Golem. Not a very exciting one. Apparently it is the most common of the large figurines. So it doesn't make for a very good trade-in. What else do we got? Aghast, another trade-in. I think that I know what this is, but I just don't know what it is. Nope, this is another brass dragon weapon. It looks greener than the other one I have. I'm hoping it was like a bronze one, so that way it was different, but it's not. So I have 3 of those now. And your typical training fodder, a giant rat, which I will probably put with my Carrix, since that is the giantest of the rats. And then we have 2 Storm King's Thunders, because I haven't done much of this one, and there might be something interesting in the set that I just haven't ever grabbed. I don't know on that one. This might be a silly purchase. Might have wanted to go with a different thing. Starting out, not the strongest. Something I already have. It is the Stone Giant. I was gonna say, I couldn't remember which one it was. Looks like the Prometheus and Bob. Prometheus. What else? How do I get inside this? Taped really wide. I have a Yooka-Laylee. I think I have one of those. I don't remember. I think I might. It might be from a different set. What are you? An Azair. Interesting little dude. And the tape went back over the top. I was like, is it sealed? And a Kenku. So now it has a Kenku. I mean, I already had a Kenku, but now it has another Kenku. And what is our final set here? The last one is the last thing I have for today. Well, that's a different creature. Insofar as it's different than the one that I have, which I have, I think, from the Pathfinder sets. It is a Frost Giant. It's nice and readable on there with the white text. Oh, this is a very tiny figurine. What are you, little brainling? An Intellect Devourer. Well, it definitely has a scary sounding name. Another Kenku. Must not be a very rare figurine, lady figure. Oh, I didn't show you. This is the little teeny tiny Intellect Devourer. It's like a brain that also happens to be a frog. And to finish everything off, we have a boring one. A boring and also unreadable one. Oh. It's a Yuan-Ti Pureblood, but it's mostly humanoid looking. Very little snakiness to it. So those are the things that I found today. Those are my things I acquired. So that is all I have. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, night, afternoon, morning, evening, whatever it is where you would be. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again very soon. Have a good... I guess I already said that.